this video, I will show you exactly how to play the Bowhead Whale in Deep.io so you can start dominating each and every server. Let's get into it. Firstly, you must choose the right evolution path, which is selecting Sea Lion at tier 8, Beluga at tier 9, and finally Bowhead Whale at tier 10. The Bowhead Whale is the peacekeeper of the Arctic due to its overpowered abilities. Its passive ability is that it can dig through icebergs. Simple but underrated. One active ability is Ice Bomb. Boosting fires an ice bomb rather than letting you dash. Boost again to explode the ice bomb, dealing 175 damage in a hexagonal area. Your ice bomb will explode upon hitting the wall as well. This is very effective against teamers as it has blast damage and knockback. You can also use this to knock back players into you when they are running away. The other is Ice Wall. Charging your boost releases an ice wall, pushing any animal above tier 1 away and dealing 70 damage per second. Being able to block projectiles, ice walls will destroy themselves after a few seconds. After touching another ice wall, or the player created another ice wall, they will also be destroyed. Using this to have a possible escape to regain boost or warp in enemies makes it extremely strong. Despite this, whales can simply use their boost to stop the ice wall from pushing him, and ultimately remove the ice wall speed. In a 1v1, do not try to spam ice walls. This is a tactic already known by other players, so they'll just hit and run to deal more damage to you, ultimately winning the battle. Instead, try to go more offensive and utilize your ice bombs. Let's break down the raw stats, having a speed of 100%, 1100 total health, 100 base damage, and 3 boost, along with 50% bleed reduction, oxygen time 75 seconds, temperature time 20 seconds, pressure time 10 seconds, saline time 20 seconds. All realistic skins are South and Right Whale, Outer Bowhead Whale, Greenland Bowhead Whale, Northern Atlantic Right Whale, Skin Peeling Bowhead Whale, Black Bowhead Whale, Okhotsk Bowhead Whale, North Pacific Right Whale, and Ludicrous Right Whale. All seasonal and unrealistic skins are Mr. Freezehead, Galactic Guardian, Black Hole Keeper, Star Nebula Guardian. Before we reveal the counters, this video is sponsored by QuickZoo. They make unfiltered and brutally honest educational content about our planet and wildlife. Make sure to check them out, link in description. You can easily get countered by fast animals, like the marlin, alligator guards, or even leopard seals, if they know what they're doing. They can easily outrun your ice bombs and ice walls, making it very frustrating to fight. However, in a simple 1v1, there is not many other animals that can completely counter the Bowhead Whale, if you know what you're doing. Comment your thoughts about a Bowhead Whale tutorial, and make sure to like and subscribe if this was helpful.